Welcome to today's customers training. This training is for our customers to help them learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And for example, we will use our software Epic. Epic customers will be mostly benefited, but in case you don't have access to Epic yet, link is in the description. You can start free today. Go ahead, start free. And this training call will be recorded and will be uploaded on YouTube and other channels. In case you're watching from YouTube, you should hit the like button and share this video because it's basically a paid training for customers, but you're getting it for free. So hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines, and let everyone know how easy it is to make money online. And in this video, you will learn how to use our artificial intelligence software Epic and acquire customers, the people who are ready with their credit cards, ready to buy from you even if you don't have any selling experience. You have zero experience at all, you don't have a website, and you don't have technical knowledge, you don't have mailing list, and even if you don't have a social media following and you have nothing to sell, you still can make money using the strategies we're going to show you in this video. And you can do it from anywhere in the world, from any experience level, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, you choose. Sounds good? Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button in order to make sure you get notified when we will upload our next training call. By the way, Epic is free, link is in the description. We go to Epic and show you how to make money. But before that, today's money motivation. What you see here is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and the number you see, the net revenue, $565,217, which is more than $500,000. Super awesome, right? But all this money has been generated by our affiliates, and a lot of our affiliates are just like you and me. They are beginners and they're from all over the world. Now, affiliates made $294,000 commissions, and rest of the money came to me. Of course, money is the motivation, but this is not the most important number here. The most important number is this section and these numbers. These are the clicks on our affiliate links, the affiliate links of our affiliates by the customers, who are the most important people who paid their hard-earned money to get our offers from our recommendations. So we respect them, we love them, and that's why we built this video for them, so our customers learn how to make money, get results starting today. Okay, now the question is, how do you get customers even if you don't have any experience, any website, or anything at all? The answer is simpler and even better and nicer. We need a simple intention of helping others, especially helping customers who have credit cards and they spend money to solve their problems. So we find customers, we solve their problems using simple information available on the internet, using the form of videos like these videos. But this kind of videos with cameras and microphones and editors and all those things is not a scalable process. I cannot make videos the whole day because it's exhausting. So we built our own software for ourselves. It's called Epic. It's an artificial intelligence software. Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and text. I'm going to show you in a moment. And Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Simply go to the text generator, put any text here, use any of these buttons, either Spinner or Rewriter AI. Your text will be rewritten, or write yourself, edit yourself, your choice, or copy from anywhere you want. Then take that script, go to the audio section, use any of these options to add a voiceover. So you can directly record from your microphone, or just upload a voiceover file, or just use the text to audio section, put your script here, select your favorite voiceover artist, click submit, and your natural sounding voiceover will be ready in a blink of an eye. Now you can make bite-sized videos like 1 second to 10 minutes long, your choice, and store them here. Save the campaign, go out, get busy with something else, and whenever you're free, come back, add another section, add another section. Once you are happy with your video, click the save button, click the render button, and the video will be ready in the background. Download it, upload it in YouTube, and YouTube will send you customer. That's the simplest process we use to make money online. And you can see our affiliates make money online. And you can do it too, starting today. Stay tuned. Did you like the video so far? If not, please hit the like button and share this video. This is a paid training but free for our YouTube viewers, and our software Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Okay, so to make videos, we can use a simple format of storytelling, but it's very simple, and I will show you what you can use and what we use. We focus on problems of customers. Example, Squarespace is a company and they have a paid application, Squarespace. So the people who are looking for Squarespace or looking for building a website, they have money. They know that they have to spend money in order to solve their problem. So if your video about Squarespace attract viewers, every viewer will be customers. Now it's your job to give them good information so they are attracted and they follow you and they buy from you. So let me show you an example. This video is totally different. This person made a video with camera, of course, but you don't have to. He made a video about Squarespace and it got 61,000 views. You can see every click or every view equals money. So he's definitely making money from this, but he attracted customers of Squarespace or the people who are looking to spend money on Squarespace. And in his description, he is promoting all this stuff, including Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, and all those stuff. And his camera and video gears as well, all as affiliate without creating any of them. So all he needed to do is to create a simple informative video. Now, nobody wants to see him. That's why nobody cares whether you are on the camera or you are just making a simple information video. What he did is he explained his experience with Squarespace, how you can go to the website, what you can do, how to buy domain, and etc, every step with simple screenshot. Then he explained that Squarespace is not the best of the best solution. There are other easier and better solutions, and even cheaper. So you can do the same as well. So what we're going to do, let me show you how to craft a simple story. First, we go to the intro. The intro should have a strong hook that you can make money using a website. So let's copy this and go to the audio section, click text to audio, intro, WaveNet, my favorite voiceover artist, simply paste this text. And I want to take this little text from Forbes website. You don't have to do it. You can literally write your own or rewrite using AI, but I'm copying it for example. I'm gonna paste it right here. Here it says article, we're gonna say video, and then click submit. Now your natural sounding voiceover is ready in the text to audio section. Just click add. It's added in this clip. Save it. I also want to use an image of website because we are talking about website. So simply Google here and take a little screenshot using a free screenshot software. Done. Click copy. Go to the editor. Go to the image section and Control V. The image is here. Upload. Now you can use the image right here. Awesome. Now edit the text a little bit. Now I'm going to show you a magic. Let me copy this text and remove it from here. Then paste it here again. And now I will run the audio first.
You can make money using a web.
Nice. Let's go back.
You can make money using.
When it says money, we want to add a money image from Pixabay. This is money. We want to bring this website thing right here. Then play again.
Using a website.
When it says website, we want this image to appear.
Having a strong online presence.
Now, we're going to copy this text, paste it here. Strong online presence. Add this.
Particularly a website.
And I will add this. Now, let me quickly show you how the video looks like.
You can make money using a website. Having a strong online presence, particularly a website, can.
Nice. So we can finish this clip using more images, even video, and text. Save it and move on. Then we go to the story section. In the story, we will say, here is what happened. You can make a website using Squarespace, and Squarespace is so amazing. Then in the next section, we will use the same strategy and say Squarespace has templates. You can use a Squarespace to make any kind of website, etc., etc. But it has a bad side. Then we will tell them the bad sides this video mentioned. Like there are way too many templates, plus they have a monthly or annual recurring fees. Then we'll say it's really bad because if you don't make money from your website, you still have to pay your monthly recurring fees. And that's not all. For running a website, you need content, image, videos, text, all those things. You have to keep paying for all those costs until you actually make money. Then in this section, we will say, oh, but there is a hope. And we will show them the solution, the benefit of the solution. We'll say that you don't need your own domain, you don't need your website, you don't need your content, and you don't have to pay monthly recurring fees. You can use other people's content, turn it into your content using artificial intelligence, using a software called Maven. And at this point, we will show them the product. So that is Maven. Maven is my software, by the way. I will leave a link in the description. Let us make an awesome magic mouse article using our software Maven. First, click the Add Blog button. Copy the URL address or the link of the content we want to hijack from, paste it here, click Create button. And the whole content is loaded. Boom. Add a blog title. Let's first change the blog image. Click Upload and select one of the images we have in our hard drive, and the image is changed. Let's format the text to match our taste a little bit, make it bold. Select this text and make it italic to look nicer. Let's put this part of the text in the center. I'm just showing you what's possible to do with Maven. Now select this text and add a link. Let's consider this is our affiliate link, just for an example. Select this URL or the link and paste it right here and make it open a new window. Just one click and the link is added. This is the link that will make us money. Let's change this text into headline 3. Looks good. Click the save button when we are happy with the formatting. Now the full content is loaded here in the left side, but this is not our content, and that's why we are using this yellow button to use our artificial intelligence to rewrite the whole content and make it ours. And now everything you see is unique and it's ours. We can use it as our own, and you can add more elements by clicking this plus button and add elements from here. Let's add a video. Click on this button, copy the URL of this video and paste it here. Then select the place where you want to add the video, click the add button, and the video is added inside the content. Super cool, right? Let's add some more image, and this time we want to use Google CC. No, I changed my mind. Let's use Pixabay. Click Pixabay button and search with your search string. In this case, we're gonna put Apple Magic Mouse and click search. We have all these different options automatically, 100% free images, just one click and the image is added inside the content. Why not add another image to make it nicer using Google CC? Search with Apple Magic Mouse. Click the search button. All these options, all these images are 100% free to use. Click any of them, your choice, and add it. Whenever you are happy with the content, click the save button and it's saved. Now this section is completely optional, but this is good for search engine optimization. Fill in this form with relevant information. Click any of these two buttons. We want to publish right now, and it's published, it's done. To check the content, click this view button, and here is your beautiful article created in under 3 minutes without writing a single content. You can always go back and edit as you wish. Then in the next section, I will say more benefits with Maven. And finally, I will say, hey, there is a link in the description to Maven. All your problems will be solved using Maven. Go ahead, buy it using my link in the description or in the first comment. If you're promoting using Instagram or TikTok, you can say the link is in the bio. And because of your information, These viewers on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok will love you for the information. They will follow you and eventually they will take your advice and buy from your affiliate link. That's exactly what we do to get all these customers, help them with good information, and promote our affiliate offers, and we make simple money. They all start with our clear intention of helping others. And we put that information into Epic, make simple videos without using camera and microphone. That's it. Did you like it? Epic, Maven, all the links are in the description. Go grab them. And if you like our video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and share this video on your social media timeline so everybody else knows about how easy it is to make money online. They will like you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. That's how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people are making money, and you can do it too. Go ahead, start with Epic, like, share, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money training. And we will see you in the next one.